Hi everyone, check out the Disney Clear Dome Umbrella for girls with a fun frozen design that brightens rainy days. This folding transparent umbrella lets kids see through the dome while staying dry and protected. Its lightweight build makes it easy to carry for school or outdoor adventures without any hassle. The comfortable J handle offers a secure grip and simple push-up, push-down opening for little hands. Choose from popular Disney characters like Frozen, Stitch, Disney princesses, and Minnie Mouse for a magical touch. Official Disney merchandise ensures top quality and authentic designs your kids will love. Make every rainy day special with this practical and charming umbrella. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.